Hi guys, there are many apps out there for teleprompters and I think I've tried them all now. So in this video, I'll save you the hassle and share the best app that has worked for me. It's called a teleprompter. Nice and creative name. I'll put a screenshot here for you. Using a teleprompter helps you remember all the key points that you want to cover in your video or your content, or it might be singing, whatever it might be that you're doing. Using a teleprompter helps you remember the key points that you want to cover in your content. It might be a video, it might be a podcast. It helps reduce the gaps in your speech, which ultimately makes you look more professional. But you may not want to spend a lot of money on a teleprompter or carrying around with your camera. Sometimes all you want to do is use the camera in your phone. The magic in this app is that whilst it's being recorded, you're seeing the text, but the content that's being recorded is actually nothing on it. So it looks like you're just looking at the camera. Like many apps, this teleprompter app has a free version and a premium version, which costs about £14.99, which is great actually, because it's one-off cost and you don't pay for any subscription. All the features that comes with it, it's all you need really. There's an added feature for captions if you want to use that, but most people don't use captions, so it's actually for £14.99 you get quite a lot with it. And if you're looking to use a physical teleprompter that you can attach to your camera as well as using it with your smartphone, you can check out this device as the Podcaster Parrot. I've done a separate video on it, so go check that out. Put the link here for you. It's quite portable, small and affordable as well. More importantly, it just fits into your camera lens, which is great. So check out that video. Back to the app. So in this premium version, which is what I recommend you go for, it lets you change lots of settings. It's a one-time purchase, as I said, so it's really good. For example, you can add a cue indicator. You can change the margin depending on whether you're recording horizontally or vertically. All of those settings you can change pretty much as you're recording, so there's no stop. Go into your phone settings. Everything is being done as you're recording, which is really handy. Changing the speed, there's a quite intuitive turtle or rabbit sign, so you just scroll down to speed up or go faster. And you can change whether you want to mirror vertically or horizontally as well, in case you're using a teleprompter like one of these guys. One of the standout features for me is the ability to just use your phone by itself in a selfie video while you're doing might be a TikTok video or an Instagram story. Short content, but you want to hit the points and you want to make sure that you're concise and quick and not forget anything to share with your viewers. As you get used to it, you may want to add things like captions to your video. I'm not sure, most people probably won't need it, but that's an added cost to that. It is a killer feature, but it is quite expensive to add that in. My workflow is pretty simple. I use the Notes app on my phone or on my laptop. I use Evernote most of the time, and then I just copy and paste the text into the teleprompter app, and that's it. I can then make the final adjustments into the app itself, like adding pauses or gestures, some key bullet points, for example, or bold font to things that I want to emphasize, just to remind me, what I need to hit in terms of the points that I need to cover in my video. If you want to add an extra professional touch, you can also add an external microphone like the Rode Go Wireless. I've got one here. This is it here. So it's quite small. You attach one of those to the phone. The other one goes into your, like that. You can put it under your clothes. You can put it near you on a little stand. Many other ways of using that little microphone, and actually I've done another video on that as well, so you can go and check it here as well for using that with laptops or smartphones. So make sure to check that out as well. In this app you can move the text around so that it's close to the camera itself, so you don't look like you're reading, and it adds that extra personal touch when you're looking straight into your viewer's eyes and you're building that strong connection. It's perfect for Instagram stories, the type of content that you can find on YouTube, but also on things like TikTok. You can be streaming from your computer and have a teleprompter on the side. So for example, if I just move my light out of the way, all of a sudden I can now engage with my viewers using a laptop, maybe doing a live video or something like that, whilst just still looking at the camera, but reading the key points, maybe some bullet points that I want to cover that I don't want to miss in my content, in my live video. Plenty of things that you can do. Quite a versatile little app, and the best thing of it is for £15, or actually you can just have the free version if you don't want to go for the full features of the paid version. So just a short video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. As ever, I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you next week.